Hi, I'm Jimmy Fasig, personal injury lawyer, and I want to talk to you about how to ruin a perfectly good personal injury case. Unfortunately, I see this happen all the time, and it's something that can be easily avoided. So if you're a client of a personal injury firm, please take this advice to heart. The best way to ruin a personal injury case is to try to make it into something that it isn't. The key to a personal injury case is embracing the truth, warts and all, and using the power of the truth to win the case. But what I've seen clients do mistakenly, if they're not properly trained, if they're not properly taught, is they try to exaggerate their injuries to make them worse than they actually are. And let me give you an example. The number one most important thing that the insurance company is going to ask, or that the defense attorney is going to ask in a deposition or in a recorded statement is, how are these injuries affecting your life? And they're going to follow that question up with, are there any things that you can't do that you normally would do if this accident hadn't happened? And so that is a trick question. It's a trick question because a lot of the personal injury plaintiffs will think that they have to say something. Say that I can't do this and I can't do that and I can't do that. When in reality, if they're really honest with themselves, the injuries that they sustained have made it harder for them to do these things. For example, a person injures their back. They say, well, I can't bend over and tie my shoes. Or I can't lift heavy objects. Or I can't lift my arms over my head. Or I can't get in and out of a car. Well, the reality might be that it's challenging for them to bend over and tie their shoes. It's challenging for them to lift their arms over their head. It's challenging to get in and out of the car. But if they say that they can't do it, and it's on a recorded statement, or it's in a deposition, then the insurance company and the jurors later on in the case are going to take that literally, and they're going to think that the plaintiff is lacking credibility. And the number one most important asset to a personal injury case is the plaintiff's credibility. So to sum it all up, the best way to ruin a personal injury case is to exaggerate your injuries and to try to make the injuries out to be something they're not, and state that you can't do something that you normally could do when you actually can. Thank you.